from the medical services. Next case is Cosmopolitan Hospitals versus Vasanta P. Nair. This case was of National Commission. It held that the activity provided by medical professionals like doctors, nurse and surgeon are the members of medical profession. The question was raised that whether the medical service provided by hospital do fall under section 2 service. So under which section this falls, for this point I am not sure, so check about it. For this point, check from the referred book. Then the people who pay for medical services also called consumers or not? Such question was raised from this case. This case also went to Supreme Court. The Supreme Court held that the Consumer Protection Act should also apply to the medical services, means medical profession. Under the ground of negligence, the patient can ask for compensation as the patient are paying money, so they are the consumers of medical service. This case can filed in National Commission, District Forum. National Commission or District Forum. If there is any deficiency, defect, injury, negligence under medical profession, then these cases falls under the Consumer Protection Act 1986. National Commission upheld that according to CPA, a patient is a consumer and medical assistance is a service. Medical service were brought under CPA by the landmark judgment of Indian Medical Association versus VP Shanta. In case of government hospital, as you are paying taxes and as you are paying for the case paper in a hospital, then you are paying for that service in hospitals, means in the government hospitals. So person can claim in the case of negligence against the government hospital. So from this Cosmopolitan Hospitals versus Vasanta P. Nair, this was the landmark case in the of the Indian Medical Association versus VP Shanta. From it, it was concluded that the medical profession comes under the Consumer Protection Act 1986, as we are paying the money to the doctors, to the medical profession. Therefore, if there is any deficiency, defect in that, then we can ask for the compensation.